Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the stew with another video. In this one, I'm actually gonna start a series where at least once weekly I post about latest sneaker releases or news. I feel like it's a clean concept and it would be a fire way to just bring some different content to the channel. Today we're gonna go over some of the highlighted pieces on here, and hey, let me know how y'all feeling about it. We're also gonna get into a little bit of Yeezy news as well, but we'll get into that when we do. Leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. We literally like 500 away from 20k at this point. Go ahead and subscribe down below, and with all that being said, let's get straight to it. We already on the Yeezy releases, so let's skim through these real quick. We got the Sulfurs supposed to drop literally tomorrow. I don't know when this video is dropping, but yeah, the 16th these shit's supposed to drop. We got the Geodes on the 19th. Honestly, I'm not the biggest fan of the Geode minivan 700s. These shits is kind of mid and I'm not even gonna go for them. Below these, there's the Turtledove 350s. There's rumors that these are coming back. They're saying April, but honestly I would say at least like May, June these might be dropping. I'm excited about these, bruh. If these hoes drop, sign me up, coach, because I'm gonna need these hoes for real. I remember when they dropped originally, I didn't even go for them, to be honest, and it's a decision that I regret, but I probably didn't have retail at that point. But we here, baby. If these bitches dropping, just know I'm going for them 150%. Need these, and if they dropping these, give me the pirate blacks, bro. Fuck all that. The triple black 750s, just give me these. This right here is all I need from Adidas Yeezy. I don't care about nothing else besides this. It's probably Nike Yeezy or LV Yeezy for me. These are so fire, this and the gray color. Besides that, we got more 450s coming out in the yellow sulfur. Those are May 7th. We got these granite 500s, which are actually looking fire. I love the different tones of sage, olive, browns on this 500. Honestly, 500s are one of my most favorite Yeezys simply because they are really comfortable. Like, you could wear these shits all day and you'll dead ass be good. These have ortholite soles in it. It's amazing. I'm not gonna lie, I wore these to Disney and I was good. Like, that ass, I was good. 500s comfortability wise, one of my favorites. We got some slides which I've spoken about May 16th on these. You got the Pure, the Onyx, then you also do have this glow green color. There's another sneaker which I'm thinking is ass in my opinion. It's the Fade Carbon 700 V3s. Hey, we good on these apparently restocking. Onyx 350s spring 2022. I don't know how many black 350 V2s he's done at this point, but there's another one for y'all. Cream minivans, if y'all are interested. Personally, I'm good on these. Already have something way too similar, so I'm good on those. These hoes is weak. I'm good on the mustard joints. We just good on these 100%. Then you do got the core red 350 V2s, banger in the booth. Definitely a must cop whenever these drop. It's saying spring 2022. I'm thinking Mayflowers with this one, low key. If these drop, just know I'ma try again. I tried with the white stripes, shit didn't go that smoothly for me, but I'ma try with these again, bro. It's all you could do, low key. There's a white pair of foam runners coming out. This is the sand color and they actually raised the retail to 90. I don't know if I peeped that before. I think I already have an ochre pair that I'm gonna start pulling out real soon. I'm chilling on this one though. I'm cooling, bro. Like, I'm good. The insulated boot for winter, I'm kind of fucking with them. This is in the dark slate and I'm interested in seeing how these are gonna look with fits. I might have to go for these, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. 340 on the ugly ass boot that might look fire with a clean fit. The Fat Joe boot, come on, bro. Yesterday's boot is not today's boot, bro. It's not the same. It is just not the same, bro. Can't say too much, but I could say this. These hoes is fire, bro. Come on, look at Fat Joe styling these bitches in NYC streets, bro. Let's get up out of here. Yeah, the insulated boots in black might be a solid cop for me. Onyx foam runners, more shit coming out. We good on all that. Boom, we got some releases over here that I do want to go over. So we've already spoken about the twos, but we do got this little slide that they added to it. Bitches look comfy, not gonna lie. Boom, we got some socks releasing, 2 colors, decent, nice touch with the tag on the top of these. You got the hat releasing releasing in 4 colors. That peachish color is looking beautiful in my opinion. You got the sweatpants in 2 colors. That yellow one is actually looking pretty decent. Both of them are. Shorts are probably my favorite piece in the cream color. This tee's decent, you feel me? Comes in 4 colors. This one is fire. I love that black wash. This is probably my favorite tee by far. In that black, it just looks iconic. It almost looks like a vintage tee, honestly. This crew neck is not really too much of a fan because I love hoodies. They got me with the hoodie, but I'm not really fucking with that one too much. These track pants actually open up on the side and they have the tag on the bottom. I like that touch. This almost looks like a military inspired, and I wonder if it's reversible because you can see that blue peeking on the inside of this gray one. I feel like it could be a clean ass touch if it is reversible. But yeah, that's the Union collection. So apparently there's an Adidas Balenciaga Triple S that was aired. I don't know what, I just read this like whole little article or whatever, and they're saying that these brands came together to make this shit right here, and they contacted one of the brands. The rep said they didn't have any comments, so apparently this might be a thing or might not be a thing. Who the fuck knows? But there's this picture right here of this big ass looking sneaker. I off rip got hella questions and I definitely need some answers, bruh, because there's probably 7 sneakers in this one sneaker right here, and somebody gotta say something, bro. There's some ugly ass shit releasing, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Let's see the best sneakers to add to your rotation this week. We got the wavy baby skate shoes. These hoes is crazy, bro. Like, it's trippy as fuck. Literally the way that it looks right here is how it is in person. You put your foot in this bitch like that, yeah, bro. It's like a rally inside this for your foot. Hey buddy, it's about to be a whole situation in this motherfucker. Tell me this doesn't look like a mishap that they made happen. What the f is these, bro? Please let me know what they were thinking. They literally put an effect on this sneaker. Hey, much salute to whoever the f made this happen. The wavy babies are actually a thing. How are you gonna skate with these on? This is a skate shoe. $430 on StockX right now. They smoking it. There's another Joe Fresh Good collab low key, and these are looking kind of clean. It's almost like an aged 2002R called the Conversation Amongst Us pair, and I don't know when these drop, but these are actually kind of a must cop. I like the aged vibe to it with the gum outsole. It all just flows really well in my opinion. Really fucking with this pair right here. I actually need to open this up so I do not forget. Retail is gonna be $140. Really excited about this pair for some reason. I need a pair of NBs in my collection, and I wouldn't mind it being this right here, low key. Hey, we gonna see what's up with that shit. What are these, bruh? Solomons. I've seen them before. Low-key, shout out to Paul Souls. I don't know about this color right here. These might have to take a seat. These low-key don't look that bad, I'm not gonna lie. UK vibe, drill type beat looking ass sneaker, I'm not gonna lie, with like some baggy ass casual thrifted pants for $2. That's what those look like. We got the DSM 991s. They look, I don't know what they look like, but they look like something, bro. I don't think I'm fucking with these. It's just the shape for me that screams lawnmower garage sale. Like, we good on those, bro. These shits is middery for me. Already peeped the next article we about to get into. There's some dunk releases coming out and I gotta talk about it. Let's see what's going on with these. I'm not gonna really talk about them too much. These vast gray joints, April 18th, looking kind of cool, decent. We gonna see. These are, I already spoke about those, honestly. These are literally some crocodile Sunday service shoes right here. We not really gonna talk about those. Multiple colors. Look at the plastic emblem on these bitches. Oh my goodness. You got the banana dunks coming out. I don't know why, but these could have been so much better. There's like a missed banana opportunity right here. Kind of mid. The henna brown dunks. This deadass almost looks something basketball related is on these. Look at the pebbling on the tumbled leather. Let me know about the Sun Club henna brown dunks. There's the light iron ores, which are actually kind of fire. I'm fucking with these right here. There's no official date. I like the fact that there's a lot of primary colors, but there's not too much color on these. Like the outsole has blue, swoosh is red, baby swoosh is yellow, back panel is green, then majority of the sneaker is cream. Kind of with these, I'm not gonna lie. Kyrie Irving dunks, low key. I wish that the tones were more washed out. Like if it was pastel blue, or not even, bro, scratch that. that. The outsole, if it was like a more salmony, like softer tone, I feel like these would have been cleaner, but that pink is meshing with the blue too much. Low-key, I feel like the Carolina blue is solid. Take that pink, make it softer. These hoes would have slapped. I don't know what's going on them. Let me know how y'all feeling about the Kyries in the comments. There's another Sun Club dunk supposed to come out. I don't know when these hoes releasing, but just know another one, bruh. Let me know. There's a whole pack of these bitches. Yo, the copy paste dunks, back in the day, this would have been a gimmicky sneaker, but the copy paste theme does give it like a cleaner vibe, almost like a computer glitch. I don't know why I got computer glitch, bro, but this looks like something that you could just beat up, wear these hoes all the time. It's all good. You don't really care about them too much because it's just the computer copy and paste joints. I feel like whenever they release, I might end up going for them. I already spoke about these in a different video. There's the gray fog, which is basically just some paisley shit. The Easter joints, and then that was the last. What the f are these right here? I don't know what these are. I just wanted to show them to y'all real quick. These are the Nar Hunters or some shit. Fun screen. These are actually kind of hard, not gonna lie to y'all. I kind of am fucking with these. We got 2 more topics in this video, then we'll get straight up out of here. One of them being that Drake actually debuted a Flight Zoom 95 inspired Nocta sneaker. So we got this picture right here of Drake and his son. Then there's the shoes on his feet, bro. You need to look at the detail, bro. There's these Flight Zoom 95, some shit like that. They look alright. It almost looks like he took his shoe and put it on the outsole of these. I don't know why I got that vibe. They look decent. Interested in seeing more pictures. This is the original sneaker right here that he took inspiration from. It actually doesn't look that bad. It looks better than the other shit he released. I like the basketball vibe to it. And the last thing we're gonna talk about is the military black Jordan 4s. I gotta end it on this note simply because, bro, the Jordan 4 military blues is probably my favorite shoe. Dead ass, like no bullshit. All hype aside, military blues like brings me back in the day type shit. This is cool for that simple fact. I still need the blues, but I might fuck around and take the black, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. These shits are looking better and better to me. I love that little hairy suede around the front. It reminds me of the military blue. It looks done right. You could see right here that the leather quality is on point on these. They didn't miss. Might actually have to pick these up. I was shitting on them at first. Damn it, I admit where I was wrong. These bitches are clean. Like, I'ma need them in the collection. They're alright, bruh. They ended up being alright. I'ma have to pick them up. That was pretty much it for this video though, man. If you did enjoy, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel. Share this video with people that like this type of content because we're only trying to grow. And hey, I promise y'all it's gonna be up from here. A lot of new shit coming. I'ma try to drop one of these a week. So I'ma go back and forth and see what type of content y'all end up liking more. If there's any topics y'all would like me to cover in next week's episode, make sure you go ahead and comment down below and I will go ahead and talk about it in the next iteration of this series. Stay tuned, it's only gonna get better. I'm gonna figure out better ways to make it more interactive and just make it a whole like thing, you feel me? Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one though. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.